Bow Windows Miami Beach is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Custom bow windows. Miami Beach offer a unique design that can transform any room, providing panoramic views and increased natural light. Energy-efficient bow windows. Miami Beach are an excellent investment, reducing energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Bow window replacement. Miami Beach is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Whether you're dealing with outdated or damaged windows, bow window replacement Miami Beach services can restore your windows to their original condition. Bow windows. Miami Beach design offers a variety of styles and materials to suit any architectural preference, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Bow windows. Miami Beach styles range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect look for their property. Bow window materials. Miami Beach include options like wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits and durability. Bow window contractors. Miami Beach are skilled professionals who can guide you through the selection and installation process, ensuring a seamless experience. Bow windows. Miami Beach experts provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs, from initial consultation to final installation. Bow window solutions are tailored to meet the specific requirements of each client, offering personalized service and attention to detail. Bow window upgrades can enhance the value and appeal of your home, making it a worthwhile investment. Bow window maintenance. Miami Beach is crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular upkeep can prevent costly replacements and ensure your windows remain in top condition. Bow windows. Miami Beach benefits include improved energy efficiency, increased natural light, and enhanced curb appeal, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Bow windows. Miami Beach features are designed to provide maximum functionality and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of bow window options available, homeowners can customize their windows to suit their specific needs and preferences. Bow window enhancements. Miami Beach can include features like energy-efficient glass, custom frames, and unique design elements. Bow windows. Miami Beach experts are dedicated to providing top-quality services and products to their clients. Bow window services. Miami Beach encompass everything from installation to replacement and maintenance, ensuring your windows remain in excellent condition. Bow window customization. Miami Beach allows homeowners to create a unique look that reflects their personal style and complements their home's architecture. Bow windows. Miami Beach glass is available in various options, including energy-efficient and decorative glass, to suit any design preference. Bow window frames come in a range of materials and finishes, providing durability and style. Bow window installation cost can vary depending on the size and complexity of the project, but competitive bow window quotes ensure you receive the best value for your investment. Bow window companies. Miami Beach are committed to delivering exceptional service and high-quality products to their clients. With a focus on customer satisfaction, these companies offer a wide range of bow window options and solutions to meet the diverse needs of Miami Beach homeowners. Whether you're looking for a simple upgrade or a complete window overhaul, Bow Window Miami Beach experts are ready to assist you every step of the way.